It's alright. Video's late, isn't it? It's because I got drunk instead. But yeah, good passage. I am in Portland Marina. I've met all the guys down on J Pontoon. I don't think I want to leave. It's like Kenny Loggins. I'm in danger zone. What an awesome little place. Great guys. John from SV Pamela C. Go and watch his stuff. He's cool. Dan, who gets drunk and falls asleep, and Dave DCW, who taught Tom Cunliffe everything he knows apparently, and he's also really good at responding to questions while he's asleep. But yeah, everything went well. Pretty good. It got up to like, I don't know, I felt like 50 metre swells when I was on my way in here. Tried to luff up to get the main down and I couldn't. I managed to get the foresail down. But once I got inside the harbour walls, then I could get the main down and get the fenders out and stuff like that. Did a docking on my own with however many knots blowing me off the dock, so that was exciting. Only cocked it up a little bit. Yeah, all the footage will follow, but I am basically alive and 50, somewhere between 50 and 87.5% drunk. See you later.